ultra-quiet performance, the California Air Tools ultra-quiet and oil-free 2.0 HP air compressor in soundproof cabinet operates at only 58 decibels noise level, ideal for noise-sensitive environments. CFM rating, 6.40 CFM at 40 psi, 5.30 CFM at 90 psi. Oil-free dual-piston pump type, an oil-free pump for low maintenance, exceptional performance, and durability, boasting a life cycle of over 3,000 hours. This oil-free air compressor is suitable for various temperatures and terrains, ensuring cleaner air. Powerful 2.0 HP motor. This ultra-quiet air compressor is equipped with a powerful 2.0 HP horsepower motor that operates at only 1,680 RPM, reducing noise and wear for a quieter, more durable performance. 10-gallon steel air tank. This heavy-duty air compressor with wheels features a 10-gallon steel air tank capacity, weighing 129 pounds. The steel cabinet features caster wheels making it easy to move. L21, XW, 26, XH, 32. Soundproof cabinet. The soundproof cabinet has two latching doors that allow for easy access, equipped with two cabinet exhaust fans that remove air from the cabinet to reduce heat and provide a cooler working condition for the air compressor.